Each year, all 1,500 new semester students at Leuphana start their academic life with the opening week, and I'm going to show you what that means. Let's get started with the opening ceremony.
We are looking forward to welcoming you to Leuphana Opening Week 2018 on the 4th of October on Leuphana's University campus, where we will dive into digital futures.
After the opening ceremony, you'll get to meet your tutor and the rest of your project group who you work with throughout the entire week.
There will be around 110 tutors. As tutors, we are dedicated to help your team to develop your projects. Alongside the tutors, we have the mentors, and the mentors will help us to get a more closer insight into the academic perspective and focus also on the scientific research aspects. Additionally, we are going to have external advisors. They will give feedback for the project and help you to improve your project ideas consistently throughout the week.
Once you've met your group and your tutor, you'll have the opportunity to get to know Lüneburg together. During the week, you have a combination of input sessions, group working sessions, events, and debates.
During the input sessions, you will get theoretical information to apply to your final project. You will also hear guest speakers talk about their take on digital futures from a visionary and from a critical approach.
During the group working sessions, you'll work together to develop your final project, which includes producing a short video clip. At the end of the week, we'll celebrate your accomplishments by watching some of your videos at the finale and cheersing to all your hard work. You can keep updated by following us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, and check out our website for more detailed information. We are so excited to meet you. See you then!